Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to place this heart onto my wreath. It's made out of styrofoam, so it'll be easy to make insertions in it. And what I'm going to use is a wooden skewer. And I already made my cuts. And now I'm just going to find a placement where I want to place the heart on the wreath. Okay, this looks like a good spot. So I'm going to go underneath. And make my holes where I want to place it. Okay, now okay. I made all my holes visible. And now I'm just going to take the picks and put glue on the end. Insert it in my holes where they are visible. And then you're going to let it dry for a little bit. And it's really going to dry really quick. And normally I would put glue on all of the stems, but for the sake of time, for the video, I'm just going to show you my placement. And I'm just going to stick all the picks on open slots in the wreath. Okay, now they're all stuck into the wreath. And here's the final look.